This presentation provides a comprehensive clinical overview of cataracts, which remain a leading cause of vision impairment on a global scale. Our objective is to thoroughly outline the condition's underlying pathophysiology, common symptomatology, standard diagnostic protocols, and the primary surgical interventions used to restore clear sight to patients. A cataract is defined as the opacification or clouding of the eye's natural crystalline lens. Under normal conditions, the lens functions to focus incoming light directly onto the retina to produce sharp images. However, when a cataract forms, it scatters and blocks this light, resulting in significantly degraded vision. While cataracts are most commonly associated with the natural aging process, several other significant risk factors contribute to their development. Systemic diseases, most notably diabetes, play a major role in accelerating lens clouding. Understanding these medical triggers is essential for identifying high-risk patients during routine clinical screenings and evaluations. Beyond systemic health, external factors also influence cataract formation. These include the prolonged use of corticosteroid medications, significant physical trauma to the eye, and extended exposure to ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Each of these factors can damage the protein structure within the lens, leading to premature or accelerated opacification. The onset of cataract symptoms is typically gradual, often making them difficult for patients to detect in the early stages. Initial manifestations frequently include blurred or hazy vision and a noticeable reduction in contrast sensitivity. This makes it increasingly difficult for individuals to distinguish objects against similar backgrounds in low-light environments. As the lens continues to cloud, patients often report specific visual disturbances, such as the perception of halos or significant glare around bright lights. This is particularly problematic during night driving, as oncoming headlights can become blinding. These symptoms are a direct result of light scattering as it passes through the cataract. Over time, the quality of color perception begins to change, with many patients noting that colors appear faded, dull, or increasingly yellowed. Furthermore, as the cataract densifies, individuals often find they require much brighter light for tasks like reading or sewing, as the clouded lens prevents sufficient light from reaching the retina. In some unique cases, a phenomenon known as second sight occurs. This happens when the cataract's changes to the lens temporarily improve a patient's near vision, sometimes allowing them to read without glasses. However, this effect is strictly transient, and vision will inevitably continue to deteriorate as the cataract progresses further. Accurate diagnosis is achieved through a comprehensive eye examination performed by an ophthalmologist. This process involves multiple tests to assess visual acuity and the overall health of the eye. By evaluating the patient's medical history and current visual limitations, the physician can determine the most appropriate timing for medical intervention. During the exam, an ophthalmologist uses an ophthalmoscope to view the internal structures and a slit lamp to examine the lens under high magnification. This specialized equipment allows for the precise identification of the cataract's exact location, size, and density, which are critical factors in planning the surgical strategy. It is important to understand that the definitive treatment for cataracts is surgical intervention. Currently, there are no pharmacological treatments, medications, or eye drops that can reverse or clear the clouding of the lens. Surgery remains the only effective method to remove the obstruction and restore the patient's path to clear vision. Cataract surgery is a highly refined and common procedure, typically utilizing a technique called phacoemulsification. In this process, a surgeon uses ultrasound energy to carefully break up the clouded natural lens. The fragmented pieces are then removed through a very small incision, minimizing trauma to the eye and speeding up recovery. Once the clouded lens is removed, it is replaced with a clear, artificial intraocular lens, or IOL. This permanent implant is designed to perform the same light-focusing function as a healthy natural lens. IOLs come in various types, some of which can even correct pre-existing vision issues like nearsightedness or astigmatism. The procedure is typically performed on an outpatient basis, meaning patients return home the same day. Postoperative recovery involves a structured regimen of medicated eye drops. These drops are essential for controlling inflammation and preventing infection during the healing process, ensuring the best possible visual outcome for the patient. In summary, cataracts are a progressive condition that significantly impairs vision but can be effectively managed. Surgical interventions successfully restore sight for millions of people worldwide, preventing irreversible blindness and dramatically improving quality of life. Early diagnosis and modern surgical techniques ensure that vision loss from cataracts is no longer permanent.